Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication through the authenticator application for your Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Now in order to do that, simply open your Wise application and unlock it at very first. And after unlocking it successfully, you will get to see this profile picture icon into the top left side. Tap into that option and then go to this setting icon. And after going into the setting page, you will get the option of privacy and security. Simply tap into privacy and security, and after going into there, you will get the option of two-step verification. Tap into two-step verification, and now you will directly get the option of authenticator app in order to set your 2FA through authenticator application in Wise. Just simply tap to authenticator app and then tap to start pairing, and you just simply have to put this code or scan this QR code from any of the authenticator that you use, and then after scanning you will get a code into that application. You just simply have to tap into this continue button and very easily put that code from that application which you are using in order to authenticate, and tap to this confirm code, and your authenticator through the application will successfully be set. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.